World awareness for renewable energy is increasing year by year. Malaysia is actively participate in renewable energy production, biomass, palm oil, which include in the Wawasan 2020 plan. From the indicator we choose, we can see the overview of renewable energy in Malaysia in the effort of reducing the dependency on fossil fuels energy. As from the map image, we can clearly understand that palm oil plantation is highly distributed around East and West Malaysia. This is because Malaysia has the advantage in geographic strategy by planting massive palm oil and gain favorable output. Our team members are Ching and Hwee. First, we would like to demonstrate how we extract the data from file and import to business object cloud and proceed with building visualization. Our year of study start from year 2010 to year 2016. Okay, from here, canvas, chart, add measure. I'm using total population as the example for data extraction. Here, add filter. Here. Okay. Our data start from year 2010. That's all. Okay, from here, so we need to take legend as label and so that is how we extract the data and put it in visualization. So for the rest of the data, we are using the same method. So now I move on to dashboard to present the data of visualization. From the graph, there is an increasing growth of population in Malaysia each year, which the data trend show in million by using bar graph. Hence, with the growth number of residents in Malaysia, we notice Malaysia has sufficient resources of energy to generate and support for every household usage by reaching 100%, start from year 2014. By using the line graph, the data show an increasing trend clearly in percentage of total population. Based on these two graphs, we would like to know deeper about consumption of energy in Malaysia, which we had identified there are two types of energy, fossil fuels and renewable energy consumed by Malaysians. The third graph is to show a comparison between fossil fuels energy consumption and renewable energy consumption. Throughout the year, we can see there is an increasing percentage trend for renewable energy consumption. This proves that Malaysia has been focusing on green energy production, especially start from year 2014. Pollution gas emission resulted from fossil fuels combustion to environment. We are using CO2 emission and methane gas emission as indicator to show there is an increasing trend which is bringing a negative effect to the environment and ecosystem. Emission of CO2 and methane gas alarm the global warming issue, which governments start to look into renewable energy which contribute less negative impact to environment. So you can see greenhouse gas emission start to reduce after year 2014. On the other hand, we use forest area in Malaysia to show the plantation growth of palm oil. Malaysia is a tropical country experiencing hot and wet weather throughout the year. Hence, the weather is favorable the growth of oil palm and development of it. Based on the graph, we can see an increasing in area of forest in Malaysia, which government have implement policy to increase the plantation of palm oil to motivate biomass renewable energy program. Regarding research based on Hobart peak theory, petroleum in Malaysia already reached maximum usage on year 2004 and estimate will spend over in year 2020, and petroleum is depleted faster than natural gas and coal. In addition, government have emphasized in MPOB to focus on the development of palm oil in biomass as a renewable energy, which can further contribute as an energy production for household usage throughout the country in order to reduce the dependency to fossil fuels. As increasing growth of forest area, which also reduce greenhouse emission since year 2014. This is increasing of forest area with increase of palm oil plantation. This is to show that after 2014, greenhouse gas emission reducing. Implement of palm oil as biomass renewable energy not only can reserve and reduce the dependency to natural fossil fuels, which also can increase the level of ecosystem and environmental behavior. With that, thank you very much.